today is the brown day.
It is our brown reveal.
Yeah.
And at this point, it doesn't look like I have brown, but I do.
She does.
Yeah, I do. And Doris's brown is just beautiful. We'll talk about that in a few minutes.
Yeah. Welcome back.
Welcome back. And if you're new to our channel, we are so happy that you found us, and hopefully you enjoy us. And if you do, even like us just a little bit, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and come back and visit us again. We try to make it interesting, but.
And because it is our brown challenge.
Yes, we have
a quote from Les Brown.
Uh-huh.
And who is Les Brown?
He is a motivational speaker and American politician. And
the saying is, too many of us are not living our dreams because we are living our fears.
Yeah.
So there.
Oh, yes.
Nate agrees.
Nate agrees.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's interesting, isn't it? That so many of us are not living our dreams because we're living our fears. It can hold us back.
Oh, it does.
It holds us back from doing stuff because we're afraid to try it.
Yeah. Of course, we need to, and I'm always like a little cautious. You need to have discernment and reasoning, but at the same time, you can't let fear paralyze you from doing anything. Oh, what if this happens? What if that happens? This could be bad. This could be awful. Anything you do is a learning experience. It can be educational.
Right.
So you need to learn from it.
I had a fear of doing zippers.
You did?
Yeah, because they never turned out right.
Yeah, I have a hard time with them too,
and it's because you had a hard time with one that one of our viewers had suggested a video that we watch.
Yeah.
And it's from Threads Magazine.
Oh.
And I will put the link down below in the description because this zipper was the easiest zipper I have ever done. And they don't use a special foot. They use a zipper foot.
Uh-huh.
But it's not an invisible zipper foot, but it can make the zipper invisible. The zipper I put on this is not an invisible zipper.
But it looks wonderful. Yeah, it looks great.
And I love how he shows at the very bottom. Sometimes he gets a little yanky there. But he shows
wonky.
Wonky. Sorry. Yeah, it gets a little funny there. But he showed how using hemostats you can get that. And it's wonderful. So I will put the link below.
And do you remember the viewer that gave us that suggestion?
No.
But she will put in the bottom. Thank you so much. We appreciate that. We'll look you back up.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for those suggestions. And you see, we read the comments and we do take them to heart. So we appreciate them.
Yes, we do.
Yes.
Yeah. So what I have on is the dress I made from New Look. New Look 6095. And it just looked like a really nice little summer dress, and it said easy. So I thought, okay. So that's what I made, 6095. When I went to Pattern Reviews and read the reviews on this, it said many reviewers had made multiples of them. It's very easy. It's their favorite dress. It's an excellent fit, and it can be made in a multitude of types of fabrics. So when I read that, I thought, okay, I'm going to do this one. And the zipper that it suggests that you put in is not an invisible zipper. It's one where it has the flap that goes over it. But I wanted to try this new technique.
Oh,
so,
okay.
Can you see? Can they see?
I don't think so. Just, we'll have to take a shot of that and put it in there is what we'll do.
Yeah.
It turned out really good.
Yeah.
And I like that.
And it is, if you notice in the instructions, the pattern envelope, it does show it above the knee. My husband thought it was too short on me. Mine is below. I thought, well, mine's gonna be way below the knee because I'm short. But he still thought it was too short. But I have it with leggings on. You'll see it in the reveal, and I think it looks just fine. Yeah,
it's fine. It's not too long.
Yeah.
Too short.
Too long or too short. Yeah. So I really liked this pattern, 6095 new Look. It does have darts in it. Darts in the front and the darts in the back.
Are the darts in the front come up from the side?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So you can see them.
Yes, I can see that.
You probably can't. It's in the detail. But yeah, so I'm really, really happy with it. I got this fabric at a thrift store.
It's adorable fabric. Yes.
And I have to say there are some things that make me kind of proud of it.
Mhm.
The fact that I have this stripe here, I think is a nice placing.
Yep, nice
Of
and
the
straight.
strap. And when we show you where the zipper is in the back, you'll see that those lines, even
Line
though they line up, even though it was two pieces. And I'm happy that because it could have gotten a little crazy there.
Yeah, it
But
could
it
have.
turned out good.
Did a nice job, and that shows the importance of laying out your fabric correctly so it's lined up
Right, yeah.
well. So
Yeah. And I decided to make the little cap sleeve
Yeah.
just to,
yeah,
I don't know.
yeah. I like a little cap sleeve instead of just sleeveless.
Now I did make it in the size bigger, and my sister pointed out to me that I could have made it in the correct size. Well, see, I'm between two sizes in
Yeah.
these patterns. And what I've learned, and what I did not do with this one, what I've learned is take the smaller pattern and make a larger seam allowance.
Yeah, because we're both
I mean,
tiny around here.
a
Make it smaller.
smaller seam
Yeah.
allowance. So instead of making 5/8 of an inch, I should have made like a 1/4 of an inch.
And that would have made the difference.
But instead, I went to the next size, so it's a little
Bigger the neckline.
big here. But the thing is, I don't have to zip it and unzip it to put it on.
Just on
It
and
just
off.
comes on and off without the zipper.
Nice.
So
Nice. Yeah. And I told Dory that the fabric design, I would have never chosen that for a dress, but I think it's a wonderful dress. It makes a very nice looking dress.
thank you.
So I need to expand from my plain colors, as you can see.
Shall we look at the reveal?
Yes, yes.
All right, let's watch it. Okay.
Very, very nice. And I don't think it's too short at all. I think, I don't know. But anyway, it looks really nice. You did a nice job on it. Nice and
Thank
comfy and nice basic, nice dress.
Yeah,
Just a nice
thank you.
style.
Yeah.
So I agree with the reviews that were out there on it.
Yeah.
So
It would be fun to make that little tote sometime. That's a
Yeah.
cute little tote bag.
it's a cute little tote bag.
Yeah, I'll have to make that sometime.
So good.
I've never made a tote yet. My sister has, but I have not.
Yeah.
I will.
I
Sometime.
use totes for everything. Well, you do too, but
Yeah.
it looks like a big tote too. It looks like, what size is that? How long is the tote? E.
It's
I can't. where is it?
13 high by 15 wide. 13 by 15.
That's not very big.
That's not real big. 13 inches isn't so big. No.
No. But anyway, we like large totes.
Yeah.
Carry
For
lots
all
of
the stuff we carry.
Yeah. Okay.
What'd you make?
I made out of a 4-way stretch fabric, a really nice fabric that I think we got from Fabric Mart surprise pack.
Oh, nice. Mystery box.
Yeah, one of their mystery boxes because it's such nice fabric. This is Simplicity 8378. It is a very simple pattern to make. I would think a beginner could make this. Instructions were fabulous. They tell you things that I've never read on other instructions, like when you're doing the top stitching on the pockets, to make sure that you're doing it on the front and not.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
nice.
There's just lots of little details to
Well,
it.
that's
So
good
they
to
did
hear.
a really nice job on this. The only thing I'll say, you want to go see the farmer?
Yeah.
Okay, head on out. Head on out. Go watch the farmer. He's always much more interesting than we are.
Mhm.
So now we have to adjust. We have to scoot down. Stand up.
Oh,
We'll stand up and scoot down. So we're in the middle. There we go. So what I wanted to say is I very rarely deviate from, I have a couple of patterns that fit me well. And I wanted to make some slim legs, which I know they don't look the best on me, but I wanted some slim leg slacks. So I went, okay, should I make them according to my hip size? How should I do this? Well, I made them according to the hip size that the pattern said, which was a big mistake. I
Oh.
should have known not to do that.
really?
They have an ease of 2 inches, I think is what they said, which would give you, some extra room. But then the legs were just humongous for me. It was
Oh.
just way too big.
Just because you have big hips doesn't mean you got big thighs.
That's right. Yeah. And
Some
it
big
was
thighs.
just, so I took it in and a couple of times in the legs, and it still looks a little wonky on me for me. And I will definitely wear a longer top over them because it makes me look like that.
Oh.
It gives
And
me
that's
that
not your
triangle.
shape.
And that's not my shape.
No.
And I was kind of disappointed in that. So just be aware that I think it makes up a little bit big.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and I made the waist size according to the waist, my measurements, and I could have cut that way down. I mean, the waist was huge.
Oh my goodness.
And, and then by the time you get it elastic and all that, I've got, 2 people could almost fit in. It's an exaggeration, but there's a lot of room there. So the pattern itself is very simple. Be aware that it sews up large. Just be aware of that. And if Doris would have been, if she lived closer, she didn't live close enough to be much help when we're sewing. It's like we have to YouTube. I needed somebody hands-on so I could put it on that could have helped me with the fitting process.
Yeah.
With that. But anyway, I love the fabric and I will wear them and I will use them. Dory and I do wear our clothes that we make. And one of these episodes, and let us know if you're interested, we could do an episode on makes that we absolutely love, our favorite makes, and a couple of epic fails that we have done, because we have had a few fails. That does happen.
Yes, but it doesn't hold us back from
It
dreaming.
doesn't hold you back, and it's a learning experience, just like these slacks. I'm making them work and they'll be fine.
So like Les Brown says, so we don't want to make that a fear. If we have a failure, don't make that a fear.
Yeah. Try to figure out why it
Yeah,
failed. Learn from it,
build on it.
Yeah, and build on it. That's right. I like that. Build on it. Build on it.
Ooh,
That's good.
if you build, they will come.
Who's coming?
The project.
Who's they? I don't know.
That's from a movie.
It is. I think it's from
Some
softball.
Softball.
Field of Dreams.
Field of Dreams.
Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
I never seen
And
it.
we're dream designers. Designer dream.
Design. What are we? Dee and Dory design dreamers.
What are we? We don't even know what we are.
Oh, okay, okay. But anyway, this is a great pattern, I think, for someone to try. Just remember it makes up big. And
Can we? Oh, go ahead.
can we what?
See the reveal.
Oh, yeah. You want to see
She
what it
always
looks like on
forgets
me?
that she wants to. We want to see it on you.
Yes, you may see it on me. So there you go.
Okay.
Here we go.
All right. So yeah. I see.
Now we know the true thoughts of what they look like. Let us know.
They're nice from the knee down.
Oh yes, and I do have to tell you my
yes,
hemming.
I was gonna say, what about your hemming?
I must have been really tired when I was doing the hemming in here, because I hemmed up both legs and I put them on, and though the right leg was exactly where it needed to be, my left leg was down past my ankle in hem. I'm like, I thought I cut them both off to where they should have been, but it took me like 4 times to get that hem on my left leg to match the one on the right leg, and I had my husband helping me to get it just
That's
right.
hilarious.
Yeah, so that's my hemming escapade. So these slacks, even though it was an easy pattern, I think I probably made it harder than what it should have been.
It took longer than you thought it would.
Oh, it did. Yeah, I thought I'd get these cut out and zipped up, because it's only 3 pieces, front and back in a pocket.
How can you
How
go
complicated?
wrong?
Yeah, and it's got the elastic waist in it. Just great. And the casing is in the pants
Pin though
itself.
is hard, I think. It's one of the hardest things to get just right. Because I don't make a ton of pants. I've made some, but
Yeah, and when you find a pattern that fits, keep it.
now leggings are another thing. Leggings are easy to make.
Well, yeah, because they stretch to fit your body.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and you can always do like, you know, they instruct you to do in a pattern in sewing books. Make yourself a sloper. Is that what they call it? The Muslim. Make a Muslim of it is the older term. So you get all the fitting kinks worked out of it.
Yeah. I don't have the patience for
Yeah.
that.
I'm like, if I'm going to make it up
I'm just going to make
twice, I'm going to make it.
Because,
Yeah.
you know,
So-
because we purchase so much of our fabric at
Thrift.
thrift stores, we're paying less than you would for Muslim anyway. So if it doesn't turn out, you can say, this is my Muslim.
Well,
I know what to do to make it better next time.
Yeah, right. Yeah, we can get it figured out. And
Yeah.
plus, I do have a couple of slacks patterns that do fit me just beautiful. I need to stick with those.
Yeah. Hey, do you think we could
Oh, go ahead.
I was gonna have Nate come do a
Draw.
drawing.
Yeah, he needs to draw.
Nate, can you come back over here for a minute and do a drawing for us?
Come on. Come on.
We gotta know what we're gonna make next time.
Do you want to draw for us? He's tired right now. He wants his nap. He's like, oh.
He's like, tell on me, will you, Mom?
Yeah.
What did he draw for us? It's long. What's it say?
You can't see
She's
it.
not sharing.
I'm not sharing. Fabric from your stash goes to your sister.
Oh.
So I pick out your fabric and you pick out my fabric from your stash.
Yeah, I pick out a fabric from my stash I'm giving you, and you make something out of it.
Oh, cool. Oh, great.
I see
That
color.
could be
I
dangerous.
see color coming into your life.
And then I see a plain fabric coming into your life.
Yeah, that will be interesting. Now, this was something that I think one of you guys
had
the viewers,
suggested.
had
it was
said,
in the
put that in there. And who knew it would come up so quickly?
Yeah. I think we
Yeah.
got to shake the box a little more.
Okay, well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, too many of us are not living our dreams because we are living our fears. Nate's waving goodbye already. Don't forget to leave a comment.
Yes, subscribe, forward, tell your friends and family
You can even do the notification button so you know.
that when we put
Yeah.
out a video, we usually put them out every
When-
Sunday. We
But-
try to
Yeah, I was going to say. really
once in a while. Yeah, we miss,
But we try.
but we try. Yes. So and
Thank you very much. We love you.
yeah, come back and visit us again.
Bye.
Bye. Have a great week.